Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will compare Vscode versus Pycharm for Python development. We'll explore two of the most popular tools for writing Python code. Vscode is known for its speed and flexibility, while Pycharm offers a rich, integrated experience. We will delve into their core features, performance differences, user experience, and of course, the cost. By the end, you'll have a clearer idea of which tool might best suit your coding needs. When it comes to features, Pycharm shines with its integrated, Python-centric tools, offering powerful refactoring and debugging right away. Vscode, on the other hand, builds its Python capabilities through a vast extension marketplace, like Pylons for smart code completion. In terms of performance, Vscode typically boasts faster startup times and lighter memory usage, often staying below 300 megabytes. Pycharm, while more resource-intensive, sometimes using around 1 gigabyte, provides a deeper, more context-aware understanding of your code. Moving to user experience, Vscode offers a sleek, fast interface that's highly customizable to your preferences. Pycharm provides a more integrated, all-in-one environment, often described as a cockpit feeling, where many tools are readily available. Regarding cost, Vscode is completely free and open source, making it an accessible option for everyone. Pycharm offers a free community edition with essential features, but its professional edition, which includes advanced functionalities, comes with a subscription fee. So how do you choose? If you prioritize a lightweight, fast editor with extensive customization through extensions, Vscode is likely your best bet. For those who prefer a powerful, all-inclusive Python IDE with deep code intelligence and integrated tools, Pycharm is an excellent choice. Ultimately, both Vscode and Pycharm provide fantastic environments for Python development. Your decision will depend on your specific project needs, workflow preferences, and available system resources. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.